Good morning, students. Class 6th. Today we are going to study Chapter 7 HTML. In this, we will learn how to write HTML code and view it in the browser window. To perform HTML practically, please follow the instructions. Click on Start button, All Programs, Accessories. Click on Notepad. This is the Notepad window. As Notepad is the text editor, we need to write the code here. After writing the code, we need to save it. For saving, follow these steps. Click on File, click on Save As. In the Save As dialog box, type your file name with .html extension and click on Save button. Your file will be saved. To view the output of the HTML code, right-click on the HTML file, select Open with option, choose the browser, and your file will be opened in the browser window. Students, just recall the basic structure of HTML document that I had explained earlier. This is the basic structure of HTML file. Here you can find the essential tags which I had explained. HTML, head, title. Title I am giving to my page is my first page. Title close, head tag close. In the body section I am writing body and the body tag closed, and in the last HTML tag close. Let's see the output. A blank web page with only the title name as my first page will appear. Now students, we will learn the usage of bg color attribute of body tag. In the same code, I have added body bg color equal yellow to give yellow color in the background. Let's see the output. See, a web page with the title as my first page and the background color yellow appear on the screen. Heading tags. HTML provides 6 heading labels from H1 to H6, in which H1 is the largest heading whereas H6 is the smallest heading. This is the code, and in this code, in the body section, I have mentioned H1 align center, India, H1 tag closed. This means I want India to be center aligned and the heading of the largest size, that is H1. Let's see the output. See, India is center aligned and it is the largest heading. Horizontal rule, that is the HR tag. This tag is used to divide the web page into different sections. It inserts a straight horizontal line across the web page. In the code, what I have mentioned is inside the body tag H1 align center India, that means I want India as the largest heading which is center align, and below it I have mentioned HR tag, so I want to draw a line across the page. Let's see the output. See, a horizontal line is drawn across the web page. Now the attributes of HR tag. The attributes of HR tag are size, width, align, no shade and color. To see the effect of these attributes, I have added this line HR size 10, width 70% in the earlier code. Let's see the effect. Now a bar type horizontal rule is also displayed on the web page. P tag. This tag defines the beginning of the paragraph. It is a container tag when we include any text with opening and closing of p tag, then the text appears as paragraph and the line is enclosed after and before the text. In this code, in the body section, I have mentioned p tag 2 times. Let's see the output. Here, both the lines, that is, this is to demarcate a paragraph and this is to demarcate another paragraph, are displayed in paragraph form. Font tag. The font tag is used to change the size, color and type of font for a short segment of text. It is a container tag. To specify the attributes of font tag, we make use of face, color and size. Here you can see I have mentioned font face Verdana, color red, size 5. Learning HTML and font is closed. In the earlier code only. Let's see the output. Learning HTML is displayed in Verdana, font style, color is red and size is 5. Now students, we will learn bold, italics and underline tags. These tags are also called as style tags, means they are used to emphasize the text. To make the text bold, we use B tag, italics I and underline is U. Here in this code, I want Uttar Pradesh to be bold, italics as well as underlined. So, I have used these tags in a sequence and at the time of closing, I am closing them in the reverse order to avoid the overlapping of the tags. Let's see the output. Uttar Pradesh is bold, italics and underlined. Subscript tag. The starting of subscript is SUB, so the tag is SUB. This tag is used when we want to display the text below the normal text. Let's see the HTML code. In the body tag, I have mentioned H, SUB2, subclosed and O. Actually, I want to write the formula of water, that is H2O. But how can I write 2 at a lower position than the normal text? For this, I have placed 2 inside sub tag and limitize its effect also. Let's see the output. See, the chemical formula of water H2O is displayed in the web page. Superscript tag SUP. This tag is used when we want to display the text above the normal text. For example, if I want to write 2 raised to the power 2. So, first time 2 I have written normally and second time I have placed it inside SUP tag. Let's see the output. See, the 2 raised to the power 2 has been displayed in the web page. So now students, you all have understood the usage of various tags and attributes. Practice them and we will meet soon in the next class.